Is your Google Play Store crashing more often than a clumsy gamer? Let's fix that. First things first, let's try the simplest solution, a good old cache clearing. Head into your phone's settings. Then tap on Apps, find Google Play Store in the list. Tap on Storage, and then hit Clear Cache. This gets rid of temporary files that might be causing the problem. Now test the app. If that didn't work, repeat the steps, but this time select Clear Data. Still acting up? Okay, next, make sure you're running the latest version of the Play Store. Tap on your profile icon, then go to Settings, and then About. Scroll to Play Store version, tap on Update Play Store. Google Play Store will automatically update in the background in a few minutes. If neither of those worked, it's time to reset app preferences. Go back into your phone's settings, then Apps, then tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Reset App Preferences. As a last resort, and I really mean last resort, consider a factory reset. Backup everything important first. This will wipe your phone clean and return it to its original factory settings. You can usually find the factory reset option under Settings, then General Management, then Reset. Keep in mind this will remove all your data. Hopefully these steps get your Play Store back on track. Subscribe for more helpful tips.